Good morning. Frying eggplant. Preparing for my breakfast. Frying eggplant and then adding soy sauce. My favorite, I don't know, my favorite dish or my favorite bayad. Maybe bayad is is enough. It's okay. Again, good morning. I'm frying eggplant. Fried eggplant with soy sauce. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.